Got the airbag all taken off now. And just like that, the wheel's off. Now let's put the short hub on. Ooh, gonna have to crank this down pretty good. Yeah. Wait, is that the... Is that... Well, it's on, and she runs. Hell yeah. Well, this is the old wheel, and the inside diameter of it is the outside diameter of the new wheel. And we gotta put the pulley back now in the shop. So I just finished editing this video, and well, when you go to turn the wheel, there's like a little bit of play before it actually like turns, like the wheel turns on the shaft before like it turns the shaft, and like not sure how much it should have, but it just seems like it's like a tad bit too much. So, if any of you guys got a solution, feel free to drop it down in the comments. And, well, probably gonna take a few seconds to apologize for being an idiot, not recording the intro. Thought I hit record, but I didn't. Oh well. Guess I'll see you guys in the next one.